In this video, I just want to do a really quick overview of where to find gases and the liquids that are typically found at SATP conditions, and then also how to name gases, which is really easy, so just stay with me. Let's first talk about gas and liquid elements at SATP. So remember, SATP means 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin and 100 kPa. So this is your standard ambient temperature and pressure conditions, what you would find at room temperature. Now, most of the elements are solids at this temperature. So anything that's in gray here is a solid on our periodic table. There are two elements that are liquid at room temperature, and those are mercury and bromine, and you will find those as a liquid. Now, the gases are hydrogen, and then over here we got nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, and then of course all of our noble gases are obviously gases because it's got the name gas, or the gas in the name, sorry. So that's pretty easy to find the gaseous elements. They're either like hydrogen's off by itself, but the rest are clustered around this side of the periodic table. So that makes things really easy. Now, if you're going from name to formula or formula to name, again, pretty simple. We do need to remember our diatomic elements though. And those are, let's maybe get out a highlighter here and highlight those in yellow. So hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, and bromine, but it's not a gas. Regardless, it is also diatomic. If it is not one of those elements, it's monoatomic, meaning it is just by itself. So if we're asked to give the formula for, hydrogen gas, it would be H2 with the state symbol gas. Or if we were asked for nitrogen gas, it'd be N2 gas, and so on. So you could do O2 gas, you could do F2 gas, and you could do Cl2 gas. If, however, you are asked for one of the noble gases here, then that would just be He gas, okay, or Ne gas, neon gas, or argon gas, and so on and so forth down that group on the periodic table. So they are not diatomic, and so you need to be very careful and mindful that you're not putting two of those in there. In terms of writing out the name, if it was H2 gas, we'd say hydrogen, and then we're going to put the word gas afterwards. Okay, so it's just the element name followed by the word gas. So helium gas, neon gas, argon gas, and so on and so forth. Pretty easy to come up with a name and the formulas for gases then. You just have to be careful about which ones are diatomic and which ones are not. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.